अस्सलाम वालेकुम गाइस, कैसे हैं आप लोग। उम्मीद है आप सब खैर खैरियत से होंगे। आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है उसका नेम है आज का जो हमें प्रोजेक्ट दिया गया है उसका नेम है सिंडिकेट। ये हमारा आज का प्रोजेक्ट है जिसके बारे में हम ब्रीफली डिस्कस करेंगे। स्टे कनेक्टेड विद मी एंड एंजॉय माय स्ट्रीम। आई होप यू आर ऑल एंजॉय माय स्ट्रीम। Thank you so much to all of you for joining my stream. Okay, the project name was Gate Launch Pool Project 323 Syndicate. Stake USDT BTC or SYND to claim airdrops. Its views are here. Gate Launch Pool is set to launch Project 323 Syndicate. User can stake USDT BTC or SYND to share 766500 SYND tokens for free. New user who participate in staking will receive $100 position voucher available on a first come first serve basis. Airdrop details: staking period September 22, 2025 at 20 UTC, October 4, 2025 at 20 UTC. Total staking rewards are 766500 SYND. Thank you so much to all of you for joining my stream. I hope you are all enjoy my stream. So now we open the official page of this topic. Is the official page SYND. Breakthrough innovation of smart rollups with smart sequencer that transform rollups and their sequencer into smart contracts. Thank you so much to all of you who have joined my live stream. Bringing programmability to the network level, reducing cost by 100x, and unlocking the next wave of innovation at the application network layer. Thank you so much CryptoDaisy for joining my stream. Thank you so much dear. अभी तो मैंने ग्रुप में लिंक भी नहीं भेजा, आपने बहुत ही जल्द ज्वाइन कर दिया। थैंक यू सो मच डियर फॉर ज्वाइनिंग माय स्ट्रीम। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर सपोर्टिंग मी। ओके, and unlocking the next wave of innovation at the application network layer. So it has two pools, BTC pool and USDT pool. Daisy says, Assalamu alaikum. Walaikum salam, dear. How are you? I'm good, dear. How about you? Thank you so much to all of you for joining my stream. BTC pool. My staking airdrop receives 0 BTC, 0 SYND. Its APR is 3.34 and the available are 0 BTC. Today says I'm also good. Alhamdulillah, mashallah. The next is the USDT pool. My staking airdrop receives 0 USDT, 0 SYND. Its APR is 110.95%. The available are 28.776 80014 USDT. Next one is the SYND pool. Thank you so much, Daisy. Sending you lots of support. Appreciate your efforts and wishing you endless victories in your journey. Thank you so much, dear Crypto Daisy, for beautiful compliment. Thank you so much. Marina DZ, thank you so much, dear, for joining my stream. All the gate user, thank you so much. Its APR is 689.56% and available are 0 SYND. So now we discuss its pools. Total staking rewards for BTC pool are 5000000 SYND. Its mining period is 12 days and the total staked are 2876.2556580 BTC. Its participants are 4120 and the price pool hourly cap is 1736.11 SYND. Its individual reward hourly reward cap is 69.44 SYND and its APR is 3.34%. Its individual staking cap is VIP 10 BTC. Thank you so much all the gate user Dogesh Bhai. Thank you so much dear for joining my stream. Little Shibu, thank you so much dear for joining my stream. So the next one is the USDT. Total staking rewards are 150000 SYND. Its mining period is 12 days. Its total staked are 2401422.11 USDT. Its participants are 2613. Its price pool or cap is 520.83. ओके क्रिप्टो वेलवेट ने हमें ज्वाइन किया है. थैंक यू सो मच डियर क्रिप्टो वेलवेट फॉर ज्वाइनिंग माय स्ट्रीम. शी सेज अस्सलाम वालेकुम. वालेकुम सलाम क्रिप्टो वेलवेट. हाउ आर यू? I hope you're doing well. I'm good dear. How about you? Thank you so much all the gate users for joining my stream. Crypto Velvet says, good to see you. Good to see you too with me. DH Ron, thank you so much dear for joining my stream. So here is its mining period is 12 days. Total staked are 2401422.11 USDT. Its APR is 110.95 and its individual staking cap is 2000 USDT. Next one is the SYND. Thank you so much Crypto Velvet. फ्री होकर मेरे मैसेज देखना. ओके मैं आपके मैसेज देख लूँगा और मैंने देख लिए भी हैं. जिस बात का सारा पता है, कल मेरी और एक और हमारी क्रिप्टो फैमिली में से एक पर्सन है उसके साथ मेरी बात हुई थी. मुझे इस मामले का पता है. Maz bin Mehdi, thank you so much dear for joining my stream. Stay blessed. Thank you so much. God bless you, my dear sister, Crypto Velvet. Okay, Butterfly ने हमें ज्वाइन किया है. Thank you so much, Butterfly, for joining my stream. Total staking rewards are 116500 SY and its mining period is 12 days. Total staked are 862,770.72 SYND. Velvet, thank you so much dear Crypto Butterfly. चार्ज भी वैसे ही हुआ है कि मैंने स्टार्ट स्ट्रीमिंग की है, स्टार्ट रिकॉर्डिंग नहीं की. मैंने भूल गया हूँ मैं तो तकरीबन 2 मिनट बाद शुक्र है मुझे याद आ गया तो मैंने उसको की है स्टार्ट. पहले स्टॉप किया फिर स्टार्ट किया. अब जो फॉलोवर गिफ्ट का जो टाइम है वो वही पुराने वाला ही चल रहा था. बाकी ओबीएस पे टाइम जो है नया आया. स्ट्रीम भी वही ही कनेक्ट हुई है. अब मैंने क्या चैम्पियन से मैं कैसे पूछूं. चैम्पियन को मैंने मैसेज किया तो है कि स्ट्रीम देखें सब ठीक है. अगर वेलवेट आप सुन रही हैं तो उसको शामिर भाई को ऐसे बताएं चैम्पियन को कि ऐसे ऐसे हुआ है. मेरा मैसेज तो अभी देखा नहीं है और ना ही मैंने रिकॉर्डिंग अभी नहीं कर सकता, समझा नहीं सकता. इतनी ज़्यादा टाइपिंग भी नहीं होगी. अगर आप सुन रही हैं तो उनको ये बोलें. ओके its total staked are 862,770.72. Crypto Butterfly says hello. Hello dear Crypto Butterfly. How are you? Its price per only cap is 404.51 SYND. Its individual only reward cap is 40.45 SYND. Thank you so much. Good luck for the project. Thank you so much, dear Crypto Butterfly, for your beautiful words. I'm good, and you? I'm also good, Alhamdulillah. आप कुछ कह रहे थे? हाँ जी, मैंने बोला है कि आज मैंने दोबारा अभी स्ट्रीम स्टार्ट की है, तो मैं रिकॉर्डिंग करना फिर भूल गया। स्टार्ट रिकॉर्डिंग, तो 2 मिनट बाद मेरे जहन में आया कि मैंने स्टार्ट रिकॉर्डिंग नहीं की। फिर मैंने जो है वो उसको स्टॉप करके दोबारा स्टार्ट स्ट्रीमिंग भी किया और स्टार्ट रिकॉर्डिंग भी की है। फॉलोवर गिफ्ट वही पुराने वाला ही लगा हुआ है, स्ट्रीम रुक गई थी और टाइम अभी इस पर दोबारा स्टार्ट हुआ है। मैंने चैम्पियन को मैसेज किया तो है कि देखें सब ठीक है। मैं यही कहता वेलवेट को कि उसको ना चैम्पियन को मैसेज करके पूछें रिकॉर्डिंग या ऐसे टाइप करके, क्योंकि स्ट्रीम के दौरान इतनी सारी टाइपिंग नहीं होगी। चलो टाइम पे याद आ गया। हाँ जी, टाइम पे तो आ गया, 2 मिनट बाद याद आ गया। तो क्रिप्टो क्रू ने हमें ज्वाइन किया है। अस्सलाम वालेकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। वालेकुम सलाम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। कैसे हैं क्रिप्टो क्रू? ये भी आई थिंक हमारे क्रिप्टो फैमिली के मेंबर हैं। वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम डियर इजो सुबल बखैर अल्जमी। गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। ओके, थैंक यू सो मच। गुड मॉर्निंग टू यू इजो, वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम। हाय, हेलो डियर। Thank you so much to all of you for joining my stream. क्रिप्टो क्रू ने हमें अगेन ज्वाइन किया है। थैंक यू सो मच डियर क्रिप्टो क्रू फॉर अगेन ज्वाइनिंग माय स्ट्रीम। Zara Sabir Khan. Zara Sabir Khan, thank you so much dear for joining my stream. So now we move to the topic. Its APR is 689.56% and its individual staking cap is 20,000 SYND. Okay, Crypto Butterfly की तरफ से एक कमेंट रिसीव हुआ है and she says watching your live is never boring. You interact so well and make everyone feel included. Keep up the amazing work. You are definitely going to reach great heights one day. Thank you so much, Crypto Butterfly, for your beautiful compliment. ओके, फिर से वही मसला कि आपको रिप्लाई नहीं जाता, पता नहीं क्यों। 3-4 कमेंट्स के बाद आपको रिप्लाई नहीं जाता। ओके, थैंक यू सो मच क्रिप्टो बटरफ्लाई फॉर योर ब्यूटीफुल कमेंट्स। मे अल्लाह ब्लेस यू। Next comment from Crypto Butterfly is here. You make your live stream so enjoyable with humor, real talk, and good energy. Keep shining, bro. We are here watching and supporting every moment with full heart. Thank you so much, Crypto Butterfly, for your kind words. But I can't reply you on the message. Thank you so much, dear. आप मेरी वॉइस सुन रही होंगी। यस, पता नहीं क्या मसला आ जाता है, गेट वालों को पता नहीं क्या मसला है। ओके, थैंक यू सो मच क्रिप्टो क्रू। यानी गेट वाले बहुत अच्छे हैं, प्रोजेक्ट हमें दिया है। थैंक यू सो मच गेट यूजर्स। दैट्स ओके। ओके, so now we explore the official website of SYND. Here is the official website of SYND. जी, मेरे बहुत से मसले चल रहे हैं, कि अल्लाह ताला आपके मसले हल फरमाए। बॉस से बात करें ना, बॉस क्रिप्टो चैंपियन से बात करें, वो आपके सारे मसले हल कर देंगे। और अगर उनसे भी नहीं होते तो फिर क्रिप्टो आई जो हैं, वो हमारे जो लीडर हैं, उन्हें कहें, वो आपके सारे मसले हल कर देंगे। Thank you so much, Gate users. So here is the official website of SYND is here. Syndicate, a beautiful website of Syndicate is here. A community on internet starts here. Walaikum Salam, Crypto Moon. Thank you so much, dear, for joining my stream. Crypto Moon ने हमें हमारी स्ट्रीम को ज्वाइन किया है. Thank you so much, all the Gate users. A beautiful website is here. You can see it on the screen. Its partners are Alchemy, Arbitrium, Layers, AD, RIFT, Trade Mainnet Announcement. Thanks. Thank you so much to all of you, Little Queen. Thank you so much, dear. Loving the energy today. Keep it up. Thank you so much, Crypto Moon, for your kind words. Thank you so much, all the crypto family, for supporting me. Your content is so inspiring and informative. Yes, thank you so much, dear Crypto Moon. Thank you so much. Okay, next comment from Crypto Moon is here. You have a natural talent for streaming. Your smile, positivity, and interaction make every session so worth watching. Thank you so much, dear Crypto Moon, for your beautiful comments. Thank you so much. That means a lot. Your kind words are truly appreciated. Keep spreading positivity and kindness. Okay. Thank you so much, dear Crypto Moon, for your kind words. Great job. Your hard work really shows. Okay, now we open the blogs of this website. Here's the blogs 24 September 2025. Pleasure. Okay, introducing Common Sense where SYNT holders direct the network. You're doing good job. God bless you and your family. Your stream full of energy and beautiful. Keep it up. Thank you so much, Crypto Moon. God bless you too. Okay, Common Chain is the syndicate network's hub for staking and emissions where SYND holders direct activity and shape the network. It connects the mechanics of syndicate network staking model to the broader vision of an internet governed and owned by the communities. Help shape the future of syndicate network by going to this link. What is Common Chain? At its core, Common Chain is about turning ownership into action and serve as the community hub for syndicate network. It's a purpose-built app chain where SYND holders take direct emissions and collectively strengthen the syndicate network. Common Chain is Syndicate Network's flagship app chain, provides a possible technical blueprint for other app chains. Settles on base for security and scalability. Smart sequencer run on Syndicate Network for customizability and programmability. Use SYND as its gas token, aligning network operation with the token economy. Thank you so much to all of my friends who have joined my stream. Okay, Crypto Butterfly says, have a good day. Thank you so much. Yes. By design, Common Chain is optimized for staking and emission operation that are central to how the syndicate network circulates value back to its communities. Thank you so much, Gate user, Crypto Butterfly. Thank you so much to all of you. Advantages of common chains. Common chains delivers clear advantage for staking and MENs. It has following points: lower cost, faster bridging, custom design, and extensible hub. First one is the lowest cost staking. Transactions are cheaper on dedicated chain. Number two is faster bridging. Withdrawals finalized securely in one or custom design. Separating staking from other network activity ensures efficiency and scalability. Thank you so much all the great users for joining my stream. Next one is the extensible hub. Common chains may expand to include an app chain, registry analytics and tools for app chain operators and participants. Staking launch timeline. Common chain staking and MEN is rolling out in phases. September 17, 23 UTC signal staking opens. Thank you so much to all of you for joining my stream, all the great users. Thank you so much. SYND holders can begin staking on common chain. No rewards are distributed yet during this setup period. Users are not yet able to stake towards a specific app chain. September 30, 23 UTC, Epoch 0 begins. Thank you so much to all of you for joining my stream. This bootstrap the staking system before app chain staking becomes available. October 30, 23 UTC, Epoch ends. Staker share of each of Epoch email is calculated based on their stake size and duration. October 30, 23 UTC, Epoch 1 begins app chain staking live. It has following points. Rewards from Epoch 0 MENs is calculated based on this stake size and duration. Thank you so much to all of you for joining my stream. App chain staking is expected to launch this Epoch. We expect app chain staking to go live in mid-October. Once live, staker will be able to direct MENs to specific app chains by selecting them before the epoch starts. Next we have November 29, 23 UTC. Epoch 1 ends. MENs expand to the full 3-pool pool model. 30% base pool network foundation, 30% performance pool aligned with network efficiency, and the 40% app chain pools supporting the growth of individual app chains. Stakers can claim MEN from the base plus performance pools, while app chain claim their share based on the stake direct towards them and app chain activity. November 29, 23 UTC Epoch 2 begins. Staking fully transitions into its long-term design, a system where every stake supports the network of app chains and every MEN flows back to the communities building on the syndicate. So here is how to participate in staking SYND. Staking on common chains enables SYND holders to spot the syndicate network and specific app chains built on top of it. Here is how it works. Bridge SYND to common chains. Flexible bridging infrastructure ensures token can move efficiently into common chain staking environment. Thank you so much, Zara Sabir Khan, for again joining, and Little Shipu. Thank you so much, dear. Next, we have stake SYNT through the common chain. Staking contract deposited tokens are locked in alignment with syndicate 30 days Simeon's epoch. Direct to a stake to app chain before each epoch. Stakers can choose which app chain to support. These decisions determine the means to stake and app chains. Manage emissions. Emissions secure based on stake size, duration, and app chain activity. Stakers can adjust allocation at the start of each epoch or let them automatically roll over. Great users, thank you so much dear for joining my stream. Manage Emian accrue based on stake size, duration, and app chain activity. Stakers can adjust allocation at the start of each epoch or let them automatically roll over. Unstake when ready. Request to unstake SYND take effect at the end of the current epoch, ensuring emians are calculated correctly. His design aligns Staker with app chains and their performance, making every decision a vote of confidence and spot rewards towards app chains and their communities. Next, we have expanding the role of common chains. Common chains makes ownership tangible. It aligns every SYNT holder to the growth of app chain. For the flow, overall network commons where app chain, registries, analytics, coordination, and incentives tools can give communities the infrastructure to govern and grow together. Thank you so much to all of you for joining my stream. I hope you are all enjoying my stream. I hope you are all enjoying my stream. Next, we have learned more about common chains in SYNT. Token light paper. Explore the common chain at this link. Follow Syndicate on X, follow Syndicate on Forecaster, join the Syndicate Discord, join the Syndicate Telegram community channel. Next, we have the next point. Syndicate when it is live, the foundation of a community on internet. Syndicate when it is live for the first time, developers and their communities can on every layer of their network sequence, infrastructure, and economics without lock-in. This is the foundation of a community on internet. Delivering on Web3 promise. For years, Web3 promised community ownership, but under the hood, most networks still left core control. Thank you so much to all of you for joining my stream. Sakura ने हमें ज्वाइन किया है. Welcome to Sakura 3434 for joining my stream. Great users, thank you so much dear for joining my stream. Communities were tenants, not owners. Today the change is Syndicate. Minute is live. It's the cornerstone of the Syndicate network, which was designed from the ground up to make communities the true owners of their infrastructure. It is the foundation of a community on internet, delivering on the original promise of Web3. Thank you so much to all of you for joining my stream. Next, we have the foundation of community ownership. Syndicate manages the sequencing backbone of the syndicate network are dedicated L2 where all app chain sequencing logic lives on chain as smart contracts, smart sequencer while users interact with individual app chains. Okay, while users interact with app chains, DeFi chains, or social chains, Syndicate Manager operates behind the scenes processing, sequencing transactions, and maintaining programmable ordering rules. Crypto Crew, thank you so much, dear, for again joining my stream. At its core, Syndicate Minute eliminates locking communities building on Syndicate don't rent infrastructure, they own it. Every app chain launched on Syndicate Network is fully programmable, open, and community owned. That means no hidden dependencies, no single point of control, and no centralized party who can change the rules. Syndicate smart rollers with smart sequencer take ownership developers and their tokenized communities now have full control over the sequencer network and economy. They can define custom ordering logic, governance fees, flows, and MEV policies directly in smart contracts. Next we have this is the difference between the infrastructure as a service and infrastructure as ownership. With syndicate communities can run network on their own terms and evolve them as they see fit. Technical features of Syndicate Managed serve as the sequencing hub for all app chains. Thank you so much all the great user Ayan96011. Thank you so much dear for joining my stream. It has following points. We built with Arbitrum Nitro. Syndicate Manager is built with Arbitrum Nitro providing years of real world scalability and security. Next one is the performance 250 ms block items, block times with modular design for scaling, data availability. Integrated with iGen DA for efficient low cost data availability. Next one is the smart sequencer, sequencing logic lives on chain programmable smart contracts modules, giving communities direct control over ordering rules, fee governance, and enshrined protocols. Okay, next we have protocols enshrined the smart sequencer oracle, VRFS, and marketplaces can run at the sequencing layer for lower latency and transparent guarantees. Next we have fast withdrawals, 1 hour withdrawals via syndicate fast grid. Powered by TEES and ZKVMS. Next one is the hosting. Mainnet is initially supported by Syndicate and Alchemy with plans for progressively increasing decentralization as the Syndicate network scales. Thank you so much to all the great users. Welcome Skyfall. Thank you so much dear for supporting my stream. Designed to align with community. Syndicate manages infrastructure for developer and community on network instead of fees being captured by an external sequencer operator or infrastructure provider. All profits generated from using Syndicate network are owned by the network via its DUNA and community owned treasury. Through the DUNA, the community may choose to recycle fees into gas subsidies, redistribute value back to app chains or fund grants and new infrastructure, turning activity on the network into direct fuel for community growth. Thank you so much, Smile1234, for joining my stream. Katharina, thank you so much, dear, for joining my stream. I hope you are all enjoying my stream. Thank you so much to all of you. Catermine97, thank you so much for joining. The staking and Emian design, detailed in light paper, aligns stakers, app chains, and users take back specific app chains and share in their success. App chains that attract more stake and usage receive more Emians, while stakers earn great Emians and are incentivized to use the networks they support. Welcome Skyfall. Thank you so much, dear, for joining my stream. Together, these mechanisms ensure that participation directly shapes how the syndicate management evolves, giving developers and their communities not just infrastructure to build on, but real ownership and control over how that infrastructure grows. Next, we have start building the network of tomorrow. The ability for communities to own their infrastructure, sequencing, economics, and governance without sacrificing speed, security, or flexibility has never been possible until now. Syndicate Minute marks the foundation of a community-owned internet network that are portable, programmable, and owned from day one, where value circulates back to the communities that created and the rules evolve without gatekeepers. Thank you so much, Gate User, OXGate, Penguin News. Thank you so much to all of you. Next, we have this is how the internet becomes community owned when the infrastructure itself puts power in the hands of developers and the communities. Join us and the many terms already building on Syndicate Mainnet today. Reach out to get started or reviews or documents to learn more. Chain name Syndicate Mainnet. Chain ID 510 Block Explorer. Here is the Explorer link. Not Syndicate Mainnet is developer infrastructure only. Users should interact with app chains, not Syndicate Mainnet directly. Follow us on X, follow us on Forecaster, join our Telegram community channel. So the next we have 10 September 2025. Syndicate announced first ever community first token launch on Airdrome and Base. On September 17, 2025, the Syndicate token will be the first ever community first token launch on Airdrome and Base, a radically open, transparent, and decentralized model for launching a token that puts community at the center from day one. A SYND pool will be seeded on Aerodrome on Base at 5 p.m. PT today. We AERO voters will then be able to vote towards the pool, and on September 17, 2025 at 5 p.m. PT, a liquidity pool for SYND will be built bottom up, not top down, by the community. Participate in the first ever community first launch of SYND on Airdrome after 5 p.m. PT today by going here, setting a new industry standard. The community first launch of SYND is not just about bringing a token to market, it's about showing that network and tokens can launch in a way that is no more fair, transparent, and aligned with values of an open internet where the community leads from the very beginning. This ethos is at the foundation of Syndicate vision for a community on internet. It's central to Syndicate Network's community on Treasury as a part of its US only structure and Wyoming based GUNA, another first in the industry. It's also at the core to who we are and our history, helping with the launches of Constitution, DAO Adventure Gold, RUG, Radio, Nike, Swatch, Tag in Chain, and the thousands of investing DAOs over the years, showing how tokens could be launched and owned in truly community first ways. Embark 70, thank you so much, dear, for joining my stream. Each of these movements chipped away at the old playbook, pushing crypto towards the community first values. Web3 was meant to upload SYND's launch on Aerodrome and base carries that history forward. It's the next major step in proving what a truly community first token launch can look like. So the next one is the how SYND's community first launch works. Here is how the community first launch of SYND on Aerodrome and Base will work. A SYND WETH pool will be seeded on Aerodrome on Base at 5 p.m. PT today. SYND tokens will be deposited as incentives to help bootstrap liquidity. Thank you so much to all of you for joining my stream. I hope you are all enjoying my stream. We AERO voters will vote to direct Aerodrome emissions towards the SYND WETH pool. The SYND WETH pool will launch on September 17, 2025 at 5 p.m. PT. Liquidity providers to the SYND WETH pool will build the market from the bottom up. Via Coinbase DEX integration, tokens like SYND can be accessed by millions of people via Coinbase. Thank you so much all the Gate users for joining my stream. There is a beautiful picture and architecture of community launch. This model aims to build an open market in a transparent, efficient, and community-led way, fully aligned with the values Syndicate was built to serve. A new era of community ownership. The internet was not meant to be enclosed. Tokens was not meant to be gated together with Aerodrome. Together with Aerodrome Base and SYND, we are setting a new precedent and standard in the industry, one where tokens are launched by the community itself. Our community on internet starts here today. Build it with us. Thank you so much, SVSCLK Skyfall. Thank you so much to all of you. Participate in the community first launch of SYND on Aerodrome. Follow us on X. Follow us on Forecaster. Join our Telegram community channel. So the next one is the 2 September 2025. SYND airdrop to 100 plus DAOs, treasuries and organizations Web3 to build a community on internet together. Today we are excited to share that SYND has been airdropped to 100 plus communities, DAOs, treasuries and organizations Web3 to build a community on internet together. The airdropped SYND will be locked until public launch. Communities can then be able to take an active role in building, governing, and supporting new networks in Syndicate's ecosystem. This is just the beginning of how Syndicate Network aligns with communities, developers, and users. Next, we have communities first. For the internet to be truly community owned, communities themselves need to build and have a stake in the infrastructure that powers it. With SYND, these communities gain real ownership and control in the syndicate network. Here are the recipients: OX, Split, Kochi, Abstract, Adventure Gold, Arbitrum, Axie, Asuki, Catalog, Silo, Daylight, Dirt Dream, Igen Cloud, ENS, Fleming, DAO Foundation, RDOG, SCRX Gravity, Icebreaker, Joke Race, Lens, Memory, Metacartel, Mod, Mosh, DAO Morph, Noise, Paragraph, Seed Club Sky, Snapshot, building a community on internet together. This makes a major step forward towards Syndicate Endgame, a community on internet where the infrastructure, rules, and values are in the hands of the people who create them. Tomorrow, more about SYND and its design will be shared, but today we want to make it clear that the path to a community on internet can only be built together. Embark70, thank you so much dear for joining my stream. I hope you are all enjoying my stream. So follow us on X, follow us on Forecast to join our Telegram community channel. So here we go. The next one. Next is the 26th August 2025. Built in America, owned by the community syndicate firms USDUNA. Syndicate is betting on America's future in crypto and will operate transparently under US laws and govern the next network with its community through a DUNA. Here's a beautiful picture, you can see it on the screen. Today, Syndicate is proud to announce the formation of the Syndicate Network Collective, a Wyoming-based DUNA decentralized, unincorporated non-profit association, marking a major step forward for both Syndicate Network and the broader crypto industry. Thank you so much, Secura3434, for joining my stream. As one of the first blockchain network to formally operate under this new US legal framework, Syndicate Network is helping pioneer a US-centric model for how decentralized network can operate transparently, compliantly, and in alignment with Syndicate's core values of giving true ownership and controls to communities. Next, we have Betting on America, building for communities. Thank you so much, all the great users. Skyfall, thank you so much, dear. From the beginning, the idea for Syndicate Network has been guided by the belief that the next era of the internet must be owned by the smart community that powers it. We will build smart rollups and smart sequencing infrastructure that makes this possible at scale. We have reimagined the economics of how networks circulate value back to contributors, and how with the DUNA we are extending these principles into the legal and operational foundation of Syndicate Network itself. Ethan Hunt, thank you so much dear for joining my stream. For years, the crypto industry has had to build around legal ambiguity, protect workforce to adopt informal or offshore governance structure out of necessity, not preference. This offer this only led to more problems, not less, but everything is beginning to change with the introduction of the Wyoming DUNA law. There is a now, for the first time, a legal framework in the United States and designed especially for decentralized network governed by smart contract and tokens. Okay, Crypto Shadow ने हमें ज्वाइन किया है after a long time. Thank you so much, dear Crypto Shadow. Chat is full of legends. Today, love this. This effort you put in really shows mad respect. Thank you so much, Crypto Shadow. Welcome to my stream. The next comment from Crypto Shadow is here. These vibes are here. Amazing, such a chill community. Thank you so much, Crypto Shadow, for joining and for your kind words. Khan 555, thank you so much, dear, for joining my stream. Next, we have why DUNAs matter. Decentralized unincorporated non-profit associations are a new legal infrastructure structure designed for decentralized network and their community. It does what traditional and offshore structures cannot. Gives token holders real control over the network and its treasury in the early stages. Thank you so much, Crypto Shadow, for the beautiful comment. You explain things so clearly, really easy to follow. Thank you so much, Shadow, for your kind words. So here is provides a legal entity for contributor and participants to interact with, including limited liability protection to take token holders. The DUNA framework defines clear legally recognized rules for all ecosystem participants, creating a transparent structure for collaboration and accountability. Next, we have manages the network treasury, signs contract, and engages with traditional service providers with token holder boards and committees. This network can act. This network can act in the real world legally and operationally while remaining governed by its token holders. Next, we have operate transparently under US laws and regulation by default. Thank you so much, Crypto Zone and Sabir Khan 3. Thank you so much, dear, for joining my stream. Aligns with the future of US policy. With the passage of Genius Act SAX project, Crypto White House establishment of strategic Bitcoin reserve and digital assets stockpile and the proposed market structure bills that explicitly support decentralized network governance structure like DUNAs, the US is building a clear legal and regulatory foundation for the crypto industry to operate openly at home, not offshore. Thank you so much to all of you for joining my stream. Get users. This name SLN. Thank you so much to all of you. Syndicate Network will now operate under a DUNA structure with the Syndicate Network Collective helping set a new standard for the crypto industry where the community ownership is real, governance is transparent, and compliance does not come at the cost of openness or permissionlessness. Okay, next we have build with industry leaders. Madam, thank you so much, dear. To bring the Syndicate Network Collective to life, we will partner with a group of legal, financial, and operational experts committed to building crypto native network in the US. It has following points: Kauri on DUNA design strategy, information tax and administration. Pule on DUNA design strategy, information and legal. Anchorage Digital on DUNA custody, Agora on DUNA chain governance, A16C Crypto on strategic council for DUNA design, and more to be shared soon. Thank you so much all the Gate users for joining my stream, and more to be shared soon. Syndicate Network is the first of projects that are exploring this path. Nounstowns and Uniswap Foundation have also publicly shared their plans to adopt the DUNA framework. Together, we are helping create a new standard for how crypto networks can launch and scale in the US openly, compliantly and in alignment with their communities and values. Building a community on internet in the USA. Following a DUNA is just the beginning. Our focus is on helping scale syndicate network under US laws with American integrity and values of democracy, openness, and freedom. The DUNA is more than a legal structure, it's a statement that communities should own the system that rely on the transparency should be the default, and that the US can be the home to truly decentralized network. Thank you so much, Sabir Khan, Al-Bahdium, Gate User, Kelly, Crypto I, thank you so much, Crypto Crew, thank you so much, dear. This is how we build a community on internet. Crypto Zone, thank you so much, dear. Visit us at syndicate.io to join our community Telegram channel and tune into our X Space or DUNAs and the future of crypto made in America. On Thursday, August 28th, with A16C, Crypto Pule, Kauri, Anchorage Digital, and more. So the next we have 19 August 2025, introducing Smart Rollup with Smart Sequencer. Thank you so much to all of you for joining my stream. I hope you are all enjoying my stream. Sniper BM, Subal Bakhair Al Jimmy, good morning everyone. Good morning to you, Sniper BM. Welcome to my stream. Okay, next we have today's syndicate introducing Smart Rollup with Smart Sequencer. Smart Sequencer, the next major leap forward. First they were smart contracts, the smart wallets. Now Syndicate is making network themselves programmable with smart rollups with Smart Sequencer. Join our community, reach out or get started at docsyndicate.io today. From smart contract to smart network, each major wave of crypto innovation has advanced by making more of the stake programmable. First comes smart contract, then smart wallet, smart rollups. With Smart Sequencer are the next major leap. Thank you so much to all of you for joining my stream. Smart Rollup with Smart Sequencer bring programmability all the way down to the network level at the layer that decides how transactions are ordered, fees, and are handled. Thank you so much to all of you for joining my stream. By bringing this logic on chain, Smart Rollups with Smart Sequencer gives developer and their communities full power over how the network run and the ability to evolve those rules over time without gatekeeper. It's the same transformation smart contract brought to protocol now applied to the network themselves. Syndicate smart rollups with smart sequencer. Traditional rollups and their sequencer are centralized off-chain services run by a single provider or small validator set. If the provider fails or changes its terms, the network and community are at its mercy. Syndicate smart rollups are powered by fully programmable smart contract-based smart sequencer, giving developers and their tokenized community fully ownership and control over the sequencer network and economy. It is a beautiful architecture, you can see it on the screen. With Syndicate Smart Sequencer, developers can define custom transaction ordering logic FIFO, first in front of fee based auction randomized proof of event directly into their smart contract. Governance can be evolved to be open, closed DAO run or stake weighted. Fee flows and the MEV policies are fully programmable, burn them, redistribute them, route them to a treasury or subsidize target activity. Since Syndicate Smart Sequencer are entirely on-chain, they unlock capabilities no off-chain system can match. Okay, now we move to the official page of Syndicate. Unlock method, unlock 100%. Thank you so much to all of you for joining my stream. Reward distribution. The system will distribute token reward to users' spot accounts on an all basis based on the proportion of asset they have staked. Exclusive perk for USDT newcomer. Post stake to win a 100 USDT position voucher. User who participate in the USDT newcomer pool and maintain a continuous staking duration of no less than 48 hours with an average effective stake amount of at least 100 USDT will be eligible to receive a 100 USDT position voucher. Exclusive staking limit privileges, VIP level, BTC pool, maximum staking amount per user. VIP 0 to VIP 4, 10 BTC, VIP 5, 15 BTC plus 50%, VIP 6, 20 BTC plus 100%, VIP 7, 26 BTC plus 160%, VIP 8 is 34 BTC plus 240%, and the VIP 9 is 45 BTC plus 350%. VIP 10 to VIP 16, 60 BTC, 500%. Project information. Breakthrough innovation of smart rollup with smart sequencer that transform rollups and their sequencer into smart contract, bringing programmability to the network level, reducing cost by 100x and looking at the next wave of innovation and application network. Here are the nodes. Get Launch Pool is an innovative staking airdrop platform where user can earn early airdrops of trending and newly listed tokens by staking TT, BTC, ETH, USDT, GUSD, or other tokens. This complete identity verification before participating in launch to enhance the security of your account and assets. Please follow the relevant rules of event when participating. Any cheating behavior is prohibited, which will result in disqualification of the reward. Gate reserves all rights to the final explanation. This event is not affiliated with Apple Iconic. Users in the United Kingdom and the restricted location cannot access the services, including the participation. This warning, we will discuss it. Get Team September 22, 2025. Gateway to Crypto. Gateway to Crypto. Trade over 3500 cryptocurrencies safely, quickly, and easily on Gate. Take action now. Sign up and claim up to $10,000 in welcome reward. Invite a friend and earn a 40% commission. Stay connected. Visit Gate official website. Download the Gate app desktop. Follow us on X Twitter to get more bonuses. Join our Telegram community to discuss the trending topics. Engage with our global community for the latest insights. Transparency and security 100%. Check our 100% proof of reserves. Now the topic is ended. So we will complete the topic Gate Launchpool Project 323 Syndicate, Stake USDT, BTC or SYND to claim airdrops. So now we completed the project of Syndicate. तो इसी के साथ आज का हमारा प्रोजेक्ट ख़त्म होता है। कल मिलेंगे एक नए और इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक के साथ। तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।